addressing Hazrat Ali radiallahu anhu, Hazrat Rasul Karim sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, Anta Khatamul Aulia kama ana Khatamul Anbiya. So we translate the word Khatamul Anbiya to be the best of the prophets. The question is whether Khatamul Aulia also means the best of the Aulia.
Evidently.
In that case, it is a little contradiction with the position of promised Messiah alayhi salatu
No, he is
wasalam.
not a wali.
Sorry.
As simple as that. Out of all awliya which were born before Hazrat Muslim alayhi salatu wasalam, most certainly Hazrat Ali was the best. There is one of the greatest argument in favor of our translation of Khatam al-Nabiyyin. If Khatam al-Nabiyyin means there will be no prophet after him, then Ummah will be deprived also of Wilayat. This would mean, oh Ali, I am the last of prophets and you are the last of Ali. Then everything is empty till the day of judgment. So this is the most insulting translation done by the ulama nowadays.